Good morning. Once you've printed all the 3D printed parts for a car, you need to assemble them. These two are the body pieces. You're going to need a little bit of super glue and something to lay them on. You're going to want to super glue right here at the top of each piece, and then they just flip and snap together. So, just going to grab my super glue, give that a little zippy spot there, flip them over. The reason I printed these in two pieces was so that you don't need any supports and you don't waste any 3D filament. While that one's drying, I'm going to grab another 3D printed piece. Once your car body is glued, to place them together, you're going to take an axle and a wheel, push the axle through the wheel, and then take a tiny rubber band. I use the Craft Loops ones the kids use to make bracelets. Run it around. That holds the wheel in. Shove it through, put the other one on. Loop the rubber band around to hold it. Here's the front. Depending on the parameters of your 3D printer, some of them might be nice and tight and don't need rubber bands. Now your car's ready to go. It needs to have rubber bands as tires on the rear wheels to make sure it'll move. So you just loop these around. And the last piece on this is the drive rubber band. To put the drive rubber band on here, it's going to go away from where the tires are. And all you're going to do is loop it down, around, through so that it looks like that. Tighten it up. Now your rubber band car is ready to drive. To drive it, all you do is wind the car up, lay it down, and off it goes. That's how you do it.